Hey, it's JavaFX Student here, and today I'm going to showcase how to append text in text area or text field inside JavaFX with Scene Builder. So I had a comment asking how to do this, so I'm just going to showcase an example to demonstrate what we would do. It's actually quite simple, we just need to know how. So as showcased, I already have a working JavaFX application inside IntelliJ, my sample fxml connected to Scene Builder. I am just going to add a button where we on a key pressed on a keyboard, we're going to use this button to add some text to a text field. So I'm just going to have my text field, gonna call it text field. Not very creative, but it works. My button on key pressed, I'm gonna call it key input. Gonna say show sample control skeleton, copy, paste it into my controller, import my key event from JavaFX. So whenever I get a specific key pressed, I would just simply check if event dot get key code equals to key code dot a, for example. So whenever the A button is pressed, I would have my text field dot, instead of where we normally just set text, I am gonna append text. And we're then just gonna append A in this case. Or let's do else if my event dot get code equals key code dot, let's do dot B. I would just simply text field dot append text B, and let's add like a spacing after. So now, just very simply, whenever I click A, we add an A to the text field. When I click B, we add an B, add a B. So now I just click them randomly and we will just add letters. So just very simply, the important part is simply doing dot append text instead of dot set text, because if we just set the text, we would override the information that's already inside the text field. So if you enjoyed this short demonstration, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.